What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got Kyosho's Madman VE, FAZER Mk2. Now what I want to do today, I want to do off-road like I was doing the original time I ran it, but yet this time I tightened the tires, so I ain't got to worry about them coming off. Let's get into it. This thing is a rocket. Oh my goodness. And again, I gotta adjust the steering. Let me adjust this steering real quick. So straight off road. It's just this body, man. I do not want to mess this body up. It's how they got the skid plate hooked up though, that you won't even scratch up certain parts of the body, so it should be really protected for the most. Look at that power though. It's only 3S. Yeah, I got on 3S today. I don't know why you keep turning. Thing is a beast. It have a little hard time in high grass, but it still manages. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this car is nerve-wracking to drive. As you can see, only damage is the skid plates, as far as I can see. But that's not why we buy RC cars in the first place. If we worried about the bodies that much, that's why you get model cars. Even though half the time we prefer to keep the bodies good, but in this hobby, you know that's not going to happen. Yeah, most of the damage to the cars is going to the skid plate. Well, it's not even affecting the car really. Yeah, it is a little wiry on the wiry on the 3S. It is a little wiry. I didn't know it was that wiry. That's why I like this part, because this part can tell you the truth, because it's got like how most terrain going to be. You got the rough parts, smooth parts. This thing is no joke. Yo, this thing. Yo, this is definitely a must-have, man. A little tough too. It's a durability test. And the thing about this is it's stable too, because you notice I'm not flipping with the hard turns. It's actually staying on its wheels, not even riding on two wheels. This is a good car. Won't break the pockets or nothing. This is pretty good. Pretty good. But let me stop before I break something. This is just a quick off-road test. You know, a durability test too. And it did pretty good. As always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, and I'm out.